Hey guys, it's Keke and welcome back to another video. I have this simple little DIY, so I'm going to turn this ugly little light fixture into something glam. So let's get on with the video. So the materials you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver, scissors, rhinestones. I purchased mine from the Dollar Tree, and a Sharpie. So let's begin by unscrewing the screws from the wall platelets, and you want to be very careful with dealing with electricity, guys, so be very careful. So once the platelet is removed, I'm just making an indication of where I'm going to cut the rhinestone to fit the platelet. So once you have your indication, now you will begin to cut your rhinestone sheet. So I'm just cutting the sheet. So this is what you should have. And now I am going to bend the rhinestone sheet to cut a square into the middle for the light thingy. So I'm just going to cut a square in the middle. And also I'm going to cut 2 circles in the top and the bottom for the screws. So I'm just making sure everything is aligned correctly and to get an idea of placement. So here you just see me making an indication for the 2 circles. So I'm putting a hole in the top and one in the bottom. So in this clip here, I'm just cutting out the circle for the bottom screw. So now I'm just going to insert the screws to make sure that they fit properly into the rhinestone and the wall fixture from where I cut the 2 circles. So right now I'm going to remove the screws and remove the backing off of the rhinestone paper to apply to the light fixture. So I'm just taking the back off of the rhinestone, and it is an adhesive rhinestone sheet. And I'm just going to align everything up perfectly so it will fit right along with the screws. Just making sure everything is flattened out It's straight and there are no wrinkles. So as you see here, I had to cut a rhinestone for a better fit of the screw to get it to be flat. So once everything is aligned to your liking, you will now begin to cut off the excess of the rhinestone. So guys, here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.